Assam Scooty Scheme 2024. Pragyan Bharati Scheme, apply online for free scooty. Under the Pragyan Bharati Scooty Scheme, eligible students will receive a scooty free of cost, along with a helmet and essential documents. The scheme not only provides a means of transportation, but also promotes gender equality and women empowerment in the state of Assam. This initiative by the Assam government highlights the importance of education and the government's commitment to supporting the education and empowerment of young girls. The HS Scooty scheme is expected to have a positive impact on the lives of thousands of students in Assam, enabling them to pursue their dreams and achieve their goals. Assam Scooty Scheme 2024. In addition to providing students with a mode of transportation, the Assam HS Scooty Scheme also aims to empower and encourage female students to continue their education without facing challenges related to commuting. By providing them with scooters, the scheme is promoting gender equality and ensuring that all students have equal access to education. Overall, the Assam HS Scooty Scheme is a beneficial initiative that not only supports students in their education but also helps in improving their overall quality of life. It is a step towards creating a more inclusive and accessible educational environment for students in Assam. Overview. Name of scheme: Assam Pragyan Bharati Scooty Scheme. Year 2024. Launched by Government of Assam. Objective: financial benefits to students. Beneficiaries: students of Assam with 60 to 75% in HS exam. Category: Assam Government Scheme. Application procedure: both online and offline. Official website at sebaonline.org. Pragyan Bharati Scheme 2024 details. The Assam government launched the HS Scooty scheme, which will provide a free mode of transport to deserving students. This scheme promises to give scooters to all female students who receive 60 percentile or higher in the higher secondary exam. The Pragyan Bharati scheme is for boys who receive at least 75% of their possible points. First, all beneficiaries will receive free textbooks, school uniforms, and other necessities for attending classes from the Assam government. For textbooks, the Assam government has allocated between 1,000 rupees and 1 lakh for students. Undergraduate and graduate students will receive textbook incentives worth rupees 1,500 and 2,000 rupees. Name of scheme: Pragyan Bharati Scheme 2024. Name of authority: Directorate of Higher Education, Government of Assam. Eligibility criteria: Higher Secondary, 10+2, passed with first division. Number of eligible candidates, update soon. Official website sebaonline.org. Eligibility criteria: to apply for the Pragyan Bharati Scooty scheme, the applicant should follow the following eligibility criteria. Candidate should be a permanent resident of Assam state. Applicant must be female. The candidate should get first class in Class 12 Government School Examination of Assam State minimum score of 60%. Applicant should study in a government school in Assam. A minimum score of 75% for boy students in the AHSEC Higher Secondary Examination 2023. Financial benefits. All the recipients would receive free textbooks, uniforms, and any other supplies required for school from the Assam government. The Assam government would provide students with textbooks worth 1,000 rupee to 1 lakh rupees. The government would give all students a monthly payment of 1,000 rupees to cover their messy fees. There would be a one-time 50,000 rupee education loan subsidy. 20,000 worthy female students in Class 12 will receive scooters. Furthermore, Programs in engineering, medicine, and polytechnics will be eligible for this free admission. Required documents: Assam Scooty Scheme 2024. Aadhaar card number, school ID card, 12th pass mark sheet, passport size photo. How to apply for Assam Scooty Scheme? The applicant must follow the following application procedure while applying for the recruitment opportunity. Step 1. First, visit the official website of the scheme. Step 2. On the homepage to have to click on the option called Choice of Scooty. Step 3. You can directly click on the link given here to go to the webpage. Step 4. Log in through your credentials. Enter roll number, registration number. Enter your contact details. Step 5. Select your option. Step 6. Complete the form. Step 7. Upload the documents. Step 8. Click on Submit. Step 9. Download the application form. Note: if you want to know more regarding the scheme, kindly stay with us in future. We will update each piece of information as soon as the Assam government announces it. Download and take a print out of the acknowledgement receipt and keep it for future reference. If any student does not mark her selection about the variant of the scooty within the stipulated time frame, then her selection will be considered for petrol variant automatically. Important dates of Assam Scooty Scheme 2024. Starting date of apply online, coming soon. Closing date of apply online, coming soon. So, this was today's video. So, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and share this video.